Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, having initially displayed a negative wave of bearish price action, the Australian dollar is finding momentum in front of the key level seen at 68.7080. In light of the current pattern, we could see a slight turnaround due to the fact there is a slight display of bullish divergence. Seen from the MACD as well, could see an increase to the top side if we see a break of 69.90. With 85 being the high today, a clearance of that level would give us further indication up towards the region of 70.55 and reassess from there. The euro has impressively held above the 104.85.95 support after the US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, has retreated from the near 20-year highs of 104.18. Now, given that the fact that the market has held above this level of 104.85.95, keep an eye on these technicals. They have improved and therefore could see a further rise up towards 105.85 and a clearance of this level as it was the high today. Could see guidance towards 106.30 or even to 107 as a potential target. But from there, I do anticipate the market will give up the gains and erase a lot of the strength and therefore look back towards this bottom side of 104.85. Now, with that all being said, if we do see a sudden reversal, like we have seen not only a couple of days ago, a break of 104.85 would expose the region of 103.40, 80 area, and then reassess. The dollar-yen price action has displayed a rejection from that topside area around 131.1055, or more to the fact, from this trend line. It's playing quite an important role in support and resistance as we keep flipping the top side to the bottom side and now rejecting the top side challenge. Let's see if the market can continue. That is towards the region of 129.75 and down towards 129.30.40. It is from this region here. Let me just raise that just a little bit. It's from this region here of 129.30 that beneath doesn't view any support until 127. However, a break above 131.55 would leave me neutral. The sterling is also displaying strong divergence after the long-legged doji, which is a sign of indecisiveness that could see a further rise. Now let's see if the market bulls can take the challenge through 123.90. If so, would reinstate the top side up towards 125.80.90 as a given target. Along with that, erasing a lot of these losses that we saw late last week. Sterling Kiwi, well, the market rebounds off that 191 and reaches the top side, which was rejected after an overshot around 194 to 195. Currently, we're still seeing this pattern holding, but there could be a Greystone Doji coming into play here, and a close in New York tomorrow could give further indication for a rejection. And if we do see that rejection, we do need to see a break of 193 around that 50-80 level, that is, to support a further bearish case. But keep an eye on this pattern if you are trading it, as a bearish case could likely be seen as a setup here. It was a heavy display to the bearish case overnight, and the market returns back to challenge the level seen around 1,848 to 52. With a low seen at 1,852 today, let's see if the market can rebound off this level like it did previously. It's still playing this pattern between 1,848 to around 1,914. But keep an eye on these technicals. They have improved slightly from the rebound, but a break or decisive cut of 1,848 would give exposure down to 1,820. But it is a key point, and these key points do need to be seen as a clear break to support the downside. Otherwise, we could see a small retracement once again back towards 1,890 area. Finishing up with oil, well, the market stays a significant slump overnight, and from the top side failed challenge once again, is giving it back very, very quickly after posting an intraday low of 99.37. In light of the pattern, we could see further weakness, and if so, maybe even back towards $97.40.80 a barrel. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the interest rate report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.